Hello and welcome to our channel for yet another video. Today we're going to be taking a break from cooking just to show you a quick little treat and a snack that you can have. Today we're going to be talking about mango. You can include these in different recipes and we'll bring videos to you later on that. One of the questions that I've seen being floated around the most is how do you know when a mango is ready to eat or when it's ripe? Don't let the color fool you. That's the biggest thing I can say. You can tell that a mango is ready by just grabbing it and it's soft to the touch. You just press in a little bit and you see the skin just bubble up or go down. Even if you bring it close to you, you can smell the aroma coming out to you. This one there's really no wrong way to eat a mango. If you press this one, you'll see it's a little hard, but it still tastes good. It still has great flavor, and you can even mix these up when you're eating them. Sometimes you'll realize that you really don't even have to peel a mango. You can just cut it and eat it, which is what I'm going to do here. And there's different ways to do it. The way I like to do it is just cut the bottom off. That way it creates a solid base for me. It can stand up on its own. You're going to realize it has two sides that are actually fat. That's where most of our meat's going to come from. I like to cut those two first. I'm going to cut this side as well. Put these to the side, and now you can see the seed in the middle. I'm just going to try and cut around that. So as you can see, the mango that we cut earlier is a little bit too ripe, so I'm going to put this piece aside for now. But this was another mango that was ripe, so you can see the color. It looks great. This one, like I said, it's a little hard to the touch, not as ripe, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this top off just so we can see the difference in color. And you see it's a lot lighter. I'm going to go ahead and peel this one, and we're going to chop it up into bits so I can get a nice bowl going later. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by cutting this up. We're going to do the same thing that we did last time. Cut these into slices. And you can make these thinner if you want. Now I got a few more mangoes. I'm going to cut those up and we're going to put them in a bowl. Alright, as you can see, we finished cutting it up, put it in a bowl here, and I've tossed a few in these bowls. What I've done is added a little bit of pumpkin seed flour, or in Spanish known as alhuiste. Tossed a little bit of that on there, mixed in a little bit of salt and lime as well as hot sauce. And we're going to go ahead and do that over here on this big bowl. Alright, we're going to start off by adding a little bit of salt here. Using pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna add some lime here. We're already squeezed a little bit in, so we're just gonna put these on top. Now we're gonna get some of that pumpkin seed flour. Spread that on here, and this is up to preference. If you don't like that, that's fine. If you're a bit adventurous like me, you can go ahead and try it out. Finally, if you like, you can add just a tad hot sauce. We're just going to do a few drips here and there. All around. Not too much of a spicy guy, so I'll leave it light. And that right there is your final product. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this snack, and we're going to include a few recipes later on in different videos. But please be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for stopping by.